السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أبنائي وبناتي طلبة وطلبات الصف الرابع الابتدائي. إن شاء الله النهاردة هناخد Unit 2 Concept 1 Lesson 1 and 2 and 3. Let's begin our session. Unit 2 Addition and Subtraction. Okay, this is a photo that you find it in your student book about Unit 2 Addition and Subtraction Strategies. Concept 1, it refers to using addition and subtraction strategies. Lesson 1. Lesson 1 is talking about properties of addition. Do you remember what the meaning of addition? Addition means you add a number to another number to get the result. Okay, so you should make sum or use plus symbol. Our objective today in this properties, okay, in this lesson, it's talking about additive, identity, commutative, and associative. These are the three properties of addition. Example to review expanded form. This is for revision about expanded form, as we learned before in previous session, okay? Expanded form contains plus symbol. So, here, this is an example. Write this number, or you can find this question with another form. Convert a number, it refers to number, related to number, convert a number from standard form into expanded form. So you can find a question as write the number in expanded form or convert the number from standard form into expanded form. Let's see the number. This is a number. How can we read this number from left to right? Okay, to read this number, read this 3-digit as a whole number in its group. What's family group name? This is 1000 group, okay? And this is ones group. So to read this number, I read it as 571 what? 1,326. This is compact form or standard form. So you write a number as a whole number. To convert this whole number into expanded form, so you should separate each digit in its value with what? Plus symbol. Okay, so here, what is the place value of digit 6? Ones. What the place value of digit 2? 10. What the place value of digit 3? 100. What the place value of digit 1? 1000. What the place or 1000. What the place value of digit 7? 10,000. What the place value of digit 5? 100,000. To convert this into expanded form, I should write the value of each digit. I am pointing to digit 5. Digit 5, where is it? It will be at what? 100,000. So its value will be written as 500,000 plus. What is the place value of digit 7? Excellent. 10,000. So its value will be 70,000. Then plus what the place value of digit 1? It's 1,000. So it will be written with its value is 1,000. I finish first group. Okay, here the first group from left to right, it's 1,000. But from right to left, it's what? Second group. Then, what is the place value of digit 3? It's 100. So its value will be 300 in expanded form. What is the place value of digit 2? 10. Okay, so its value will be written in expanded form. What? 20. Excellent. And this is plus symbol. What is the place value of digit 6? 1. So it will be written in expanded form after putting plus symbol. Yeah, its value will be 6. I hope all of you remember together, yeah, how can we write excellent standard form into expanded form. Continue our lesson 1, properties of addition. First property is additive identity property. What is this meaning? Okay, it means if you add 0 at any number, you get the same number. 0 plus 1 equal 1. 20 plus 0 equal 20. So additive identity, yeah, property or additive identity number will be 0 because 0 as a mirror in addition. When we add 0 to any number, we get the same number. Okay, so look at this. Here, any number will be added to 0 and you get the same addend. Okay, so the second property is called, yeah, commutative. But before we know the commutative property, here 0 and it's what? It's important question that you can find it if you're chosen in the exam. 0 is additive identity. Okay, for example, 523 plus 0 equal 523. Why? 0 is hero in what? In addition. And 0, yeah, acts as a mirror. So when we add any number to 0, we get the same number or the same add-on. So the second property is excellent commutative property. What the meaning of commutative property? If you have 3 and I have 2, 3 what and 2 what? For example, 3 balls and I have 2 balls. Okay, I am drawing 2 balls and here I draw 3 balls. Okay, if we need to make adding between the 2 numbers of balls to get the result of addition. Result of addition means, yeah, sum. Okay, so 3 plus 2 equal 5. If I say 2 plus 3 equal what? Also equal 5. So this means, yeah, if we make replacing to the number which added together, okay, here I let 2 replaced in 3 at 3 and 3 replaced at 2 and added together, but I get the result or the same result. So this is called commutative property. Let's see the words. Here, if you add 2 numbers and replace them, replace يعني خلينا واحدة مكان التانية. أنا كنت عامل 3 plus 2 خليتها 2 plus 3. في الآخر أنت حصلت على إيه؟ You get what? 5. You get the same result. Okay, so if you add 2 numbers and replace them with each other, separated by plus symbol, so you get what? The same result. For example, 523 plus 12 is the same and equal 12 plus 523, and the result will be the same, 535. This is called commutative property. Okay. The third property, associative or associative. Both of them is right. Associative property. What the meaning of associative property? Look, here you should solve, parentheses first. What the meaning of parentheses first? Here, this is a bracket, and you make 7 plus 3 between bracket. So this is called parentheses. Okay, so you should get the result of or solve parentheses first. To get the result, it will be 10. After that, you add the other addend to the what? To the result of solving parentheses. Okay, then here, then complete your addition process to get the result. And this is an example. Here, 15 plus, then open bracket, 7 plus 3. What can I do this moment? Never mind. First, I get and I solve the parentheses first. So 7 plus 3, it will be 10. Then added 10 to the other addend, اللي هي 15. 10 plus 15 equal 25. Lesson 1. Here, it's an example. Put each card in its suitable column related to its addition property. This moment you have some cards. This is as an activity. You can do it at home with your with your friend, with your father, with your mother, anyone. Okay. This first card. First card has what? 23 plus 0 equals 0 plus 23. Second card, 156 plus 71 equals 71 plus 156. Third card has between bracket or parentheses, okay, 5 plus 6 plus 4. These are our cards to play with it. And this moment, he is asking about which one of these, okay, related its suitable properties of addition. Look at this, table here. Associative property. Which one of these cards refers to associative property? Think. Associative property means we have parentheses, okay, then we get the result first between bracket, okay, then added the result to the other addend, okay. So excellent. This card, in column of associative property. What about which card of this? So go. I get it, okay. Then I have another 2 cards. Which one of these 2 cards refers to and will be written, in what? In additive identity column, First one or second one? Excellent. First one, because additive identity means 0 is additive identity. When I add 0 to any number, 0 acts as a mirror and 0 will be here for addition. So we get the same number. So go. We finished you. We use you, okay, in our playing. Then the last one, it will be written in commutative property. But you should know that commutative property means when we replace here 156 replaced with 71. Okay, so I write 156 at the place of 71 for another side, and 71 will be written at what? At 156 in the other side. So commutative property is the last one, and the second one here, 156 plus 71 equals 71 plus 156. Continue lesson 1, addition property. Choose the correct answer. Here, 67 what? 1,431 plus 0. Yeah, we are great. This is what? Additive identity. So choose which one? Commutative or associative or additive identity? Excellent. It will be additive identity. This is the correct answer. 1. Here between bracket 8 plus 2 plus 3. So I have here, yeah, parentheses. So we should solve this first. Okay, then add it to the other addend. And this is property is called commutative or associative or additive identity. Excellent. It will be associative. Bravo. Third one, here 2,351 plus 512 equal. We have two sides are equal and we have the same number in right hand side as left hand side, but replaced its place together, each other with each other. So it will be called, excellent, commutative or additive identity or associative. Which one? Commutative. So the chosen additive identity or commutative or associative. If we have equal and we have the same number but replaced with each other, it's called commutative. Then, lesson 2. Review mental math strategies. This is for optional. ده للإطلاع. بيفكرك بالmental math. Okay, so to solve problem with mental math, we should know some strategies. First one, front-end estimation. Second one, rounding. Third one, compensate to make up benchmark number. Then break up and bridge. Then subtract and add. Let's remember together. Let's know with each other, okay, what difference between these strategies for making mental math. We will get example for each one. What are the types of mental math strategies? Yeah, first one, front-end estimation. How can we use front-end estimation to make our mental addition? Here, we make what? Add or subtract the largest place values in each number. To what? To produce an estimate. I don't understand. Please give us example to know how can we add or subtract largest place value in each number to produce an estimate. Look at this example. 167 minus 83. Look, first we determine largest place value. Here, this is ones, this is 10, this is 100. Which one is largest place value? It's 100 place value. It's the largest place. And here, which one is the largest place value? It's what? Yeah, 10 place value. So first, in front-end estimation, we should determine the largest place value. Yeah, and write its value. Then write its what? Its value, as you see here. Here, 100. And here, 80. 100 minus 80 equal 20. So I make here, subtract between two numbers by finding the largest place value to produce an estimate. So this is not accurate, but this is after estimation. Okay, this is first type of mental math strategy. Continue. Second one is called rounding. How can we make rounding for mental math? Look, Make also add or subtract the largest place value in each number to produce estimate. For example, here 167 minus 83. It will be, the largest here 100 and here 80. 100 minus 80 equal 20. Compensate to make pin mark number. Look at here. This means regrouping the numbers to create numbers. بنعمل عملية regrouping. تمام؟ بندخلهم مع بعض، بنعملهم زي اتحاد كده. Regrouping numbers that are easier to add or easier to subtract mentally. For example, 22 plus 57. هنا adding، بدل ما نعمل adding ال 57 حاولنا نعمل ايه؟ خلينا ال 57 related ان احنا عملنا rounding للاستيميشن او عملنا estimation related للlargest place value. So here ال 57 خليناها ايه؟ 60. طب ليه خليناها 60؟ Look at here. هنا ال 5 at 10 وال 7 at 1. طيب نبص هنا، هي 7 دي rich or poor؟ يعني 7 can give 5 1 or not؟ هتقدر تديها. ليه؟ لأنها rich. مين هي rich number؟ ال 5 وال 6 وال 7 وال 8 وال 9. عشان كده ال 5 بقت ايه؟ 6 وال 7 طبعا هتتحول لايه؟ للزيرو. ودي rounding to what؟ 10 place value. rounding to 10 place value. طيب أنا هدي مثال تاني على rounding. لو أنا عندي 173 أنا عايزة أعمل لها approximate أو rounding لمين؟ rounding لل 10. rounding لمين؟ لل 10 place value. يبقى أنا اهي I am looking at what؟ أبص على مين؟ على ال 3. يا 3 يا 3 أنتِ poor ولا rich؟ يعني إيه poor ولا rich؟ يعني تقدري you can lend me، هتقدري تسلفيني، هتقدري تديني، هتقدري تعملي لي incremental تزوديني. أقدر ولا ما أقدرش؟ لا I'm so sorry I can't lend you لأني I am poor. I'm not strong. I'm weak. اوكي؟ يبقى ال 3 ما تقدرش تغير doesn't change ال 7. فبالتالي لما نيجي نعمل rounding لل 10 place value هتبقى 1 وال 7 زي ما هي وال 3 هتبقى ايه؟ 0. طب نفس الاكزامبل عشان تفهم عملية الراوندنج برضو 176. أنا عايزة أعمل برضو rounding أو approximating لل 10 place value. أبص ال 7 أهي، أبص على مين؟ look at what؟ look at 6. يا 6 ال 7 بتسأل ال 6 يا 6 أنتي strong ولا weak؟ أنا strong. ليه هي strong؟ عشان بتاكل وبتتغذى وبتشرب اللبن عشان يتغذى عقلها ويتغذى جسمها وتبقى شطورة زينا كده. فال 6 strong. يبقى هيعمل ايه لل 7؟ هيخليه strong زيه. فال 7 will be incremented by adding 1. هتزود على ال 7 ايه؟ 1. هيبقى اما نيجي نعمل rounding هتبقى 100. دي بقت 8. وال 6 هتفضل زي ما هي ولا تبقى 0؟ خلاص هتبقى 0. يبقى 100 ايه؟ 80. عرفنا الفرق في الراوندنج to لما يبقى عندنا number strong زي 6 أو number weak زي 3. بس ده إيه؟ rounding to what؟ 10 place value. طب لو أنت بتعمل rounding لل 100 برضو نفس الوضع. هحط سيركل على البليس فاليو اللي عايز يعمل عندي ليها rounding وأبص على النمبر اللي قبليه على طول. ال 7 strong يبقى ال 1 هتبقى 2. ده امتى؟ لما بنعمل راوندنج لل 100. يا ريت ان شاء الله تكونوا فهمتوا الجزئيه دي. نكمل بقى. احنا خدنا ايه؟ خدنا فرونت اند استيميشن وتاني واحدة rounding، والتالتة compensate to make pin mark number. نشوف بقى الرابعة the fourth strategies break up and bridge. Here break up the number being added or subtracted into numbers that are easier to add or easier to subtract mentally. مش هنفهم غير بإكزامبل. لو أنا قلت لك 92 minus 26 هنعمل إزاي البريك أب للادنج أو subtracting؟ هنا الإكزامبل subtracting ولا adding؟ subtracting. يبقى في الحالة دي إحنا بنعمل إيه؟ break up and bridge فين؟ في subtracting. أوكي؟ So ال 92 as the same وال 26 أنا هبدأ أعمل لها إيه؟ break up. يعني هبدأ أقسمها. أسهل حاجة إن أنا أعمل 92 minus 20 الأول. هيطلع لي كام؟ 72. تمام؟ يعني من الآخر أنا عملت بريك أب للإيه؟ لل 26. قسمتها ل 20 وال 6. خدت ال 92. تمام؟ عملت minus 20 يعني I take away 20 from 92. طلعت كام؟ 72. أرجع تاني أخلي ال 72 ماينس ال 6 اللي فاضلة. يعني أنا باخد دي الأول خلصتها خلاص أعمل دي تاني حاجة. دي السكند ستيب. برضو الريزلت اللي طلع من 92 ماينس 20 أعمله ماينس ال 6 اللي فاضلة. لأن أنا عندي المفروض 20 بلس 6 يدينا 26. فعملت بريك أب لل 26 20 بلس 6. تمام؟ وبعدين خدت تيك اواي 20 from 92 وبعد ما جيت ال 72 برضو تيك اواي 6 from ايه؟ 72. يعني عملت الماينس او السبتراكشن على خطوتين، على 2 steps. طيب 72 minus 6 equal كام؟ equal 66. ازاي انا خدت 60؟ جبتها ازاي؟ بطريقه سهله جدا. هبدا اقلل. مش انا كنت 72 اما اقل كمان انا هقل ايه؟ 6 ستيب. ال 72 اللي اقل منها 71. بعدين انا هعمل ايه؟ subtract او step backward 6 steps. بعدها قبل ال 71 بقت 70. ادي تاني step backward 70 and so on 69. ادي التالتة. بعد 69 68. بعد 68 مين اللي قبل 68؟ 67. وبكاونت ادي 1 2 3 4 5. I make minus 6 so the last one will be 66. اوكي يا حبايبي؟ طيب ده for subtracting. طب for adding 537 plus 208. دي it will be 537 plus أنا خليت ال 208 عبارة عن 200 plus 8. عملت بريك اب أهو. تمام؟ وبعدين then عملت ال 537 plus ال 200 first. خدت دي الأول. عملت لها adding لل 537. طلع الريزلت كام؟ 737. then 8 plus 737. طب لما باجي بعمل البلس بعمل ايه؟ counting forward not counting backward. يبقى after 737 هعد بقى 8 steps 738 739 740 741 742 743 744 745. طب انا ليه وقفت عند 745؟ لان انا عملت adding or going forward 8 steps او jump 8 steps. 8 what steps؟ 8 steps ايه؟ forward not backward. 4 steps 8 steps what forward. اوكي يا حبايبي forward عشان احنا هنا بنعمل addition مش subtraction. This is about breakup and bridge. Continue lesson 2. Review mental math strategies. Number 5. Add and subtract. Here, count up from subtrend to minute. Where is subtrend and where is minute? Yeah, subtrend and minute. So, 92 minus 67. So you can think, أنا هعمل إيه؟ هاخد ال 67 أزود لها added 3. طب ليه أنا عملت كده؟ عشان أخليها 70. accurate number without remainder وعشان ما تقلش على نفسي وما صعبش على نفسي. فأنا كده عملت إيه؟ jump 3 to get 70. وبعدين ال 70 added to what? to 20. طب added to 20 ليه؟ ركز كده معايا. مش المفروض أنا عندي دي 92؟ يعني أنا هنا هضيف 20 على ال 70 عشان أوصل لمين؟ لل 90. وبعد كده هزود كمان إيه؟ 2. من الآخر أنا حاولت أعمل counting من 67 لل 92 وأشوف أنا يعني هقسمها إزاي. أول حاجة خليت ال 67 ضفت عليها الأول 3 عشان أخليها 70. طب خليتها 70 ليه؟ عشان أسهل عليا لما أقول 70 بلس 20 أوصل لل 90. يعني من الآخر كأني بالظبط قسمت ال 90 دي تمام لإيه؟ ل 70 و20 و2. تمام 70 بلس 20 90 90 بلس 2 92. طب انا عايزه اخد ال 67 from ال 92 يبقى هخلي ال 67 ان هي ايه 70 وبعدين اضيف ال 70 على ال 20 يبقى to get ايه to get 90 وبعد ما getting ال 90 اضيف عليها ايه 2 to get what 92. طيب انا وصلت لل 92 كده اعمل ايه؟ اعمل adding للنمبرز اللي already انا ضفتها تمام عشان احقق الايه الريزلت بتاعتي. فهنا 3 بلس 20 بلس 2 يطلع لي 25. يبقى في النهايه 92 minus 67 equal 25. اوكي طب لو بصيت هنا برضو مش ال 67 دي لو انا بعمل لها rounding او approximation تمام مش ال 7 ريتش هتخلي ال 6 ايه 7 وال 7 هتبقى 0 تمام. يعني كأنك بتقول ايه انت عايز توصلها لل 70 هتوصلها لل 70 ليه عشان يبقى سهل عليا ان انا اضيف ال 70 على ال 20. يا رب يا رب ان شاء الله نكون فهمنا كويس الجزئية دي. برضو the same lesson here solve with using mental math strategies. Look at the first one. 17 plus 29 هي الريزلت هتطلع 46 بس طلعت 46 ازاي؟ بمنتهى البساطة. ايوه زي ما اتعلمنا في اللي فاتت الاستراتيجي اللي احنا ايه استخدمناها ان احنا ممكن نعمل لدي راوندنج اوكي او اللي هي ايه راوندنج او compensate to ايه to benchmark number. هي 29 هتبقى 30 خلاص ف 30 بلس وات طالما انا دي عملت لها adding 1 يبقى هشيل 1 من هنا بقت ال 7 ايه 6 وبعد كده هنعمل ايه 1 بلس 3 يدينا 4. تاني ال 29 خليتها 3 when we add 1 take 1 add 1 take 1 from unit from ones اوكي So 7 will be 6. I write 6 at once. Then 1 plus 3 equal what? Equal 4. This is meant. The second one. Here, 84 plus 16 equal, 6 plus 4, 100. 0 and carry up 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 8, 10. دي الايه؟ الطريقة العادية traditional way. بس احنا عايزين نستخدم mental strategies. نعملها ازاي؟ لو احنا عملناها بالبريك اب، هخلي ال 16 عبارة عن 10 و6. 10 بلس 84، حط دي كده، 10 بلس 84 بقت ايه؟ بقت 94. هاخد ال 94 اعمل لها ادنج لمين؟ لل6، او اعمل counting or counting forward، اوكي، من ال 94 واضيف عليها added ايه؟ 6 after 94 95 96 97 98 99 100. يبقى انا عملت break up and bridge. دي ايه؟ break up and bridge. اوكي، ودي استخدمنا الراوندنج. اوكي، نيجي لدي 92 minus 11 برضو بطريقة سهلة جدا. أنا هخلي هنا ال 11 ماهيش 11، هخليها 10، يعني أعمل subtract 10 الأول. بقت كام؟ 82. وبعد ما أعمل subtract لل 10 أعمل subtract كمان إيه؟ 1. اسمها اللي هي تنفع بالبريك اب. اوكي، الاثنين البريك اب strategies. اوكي and bridge. Here 76 minus 68. اوكي، ال 68 هخليها ايه؟ 70. اوكي تمام. لما خليتها 70، 76 minus 70 equal كام؟ equal 6. تمام. طيب هنا بعد كده ال 70 لما اعمل دي ماينس دي 76 minus 6، 76 minus 6 يدينا ايه؟ 70. اوكي، then استنى ما نعمل لها erase عشان تبقى واضحة اكتر ليكم. هنا 68 I let 68 as 70, so 76 minus 70 it will be 6، then هيتفضل لي 6. اوكي كده انا عملت ايه؟ عملت subtract. دي عملت لها ايه؟ rounding. بقت ايه؟ بقت 70. وبعد ما عملت لها rounding رحت جايه قلت انا كده هيبقى فاضل لي ايه؟ فاضل لي ايه على 72؟ تمام. فهنا دي بقت 76 minus 70. 76 minus 70 equal 6. طيب وبعدين adding ال 2. ال 2 اللي هي فين ال 2 دي؟ اللي هي المفروض انا عملت راوندنج لل 68 خليتها 70. هنا لو قلت 70 minus 68 انت لما تيجي تعمل counting after 68 يا 69 70 عديت كام step؟ 2 steps. اوكي 2 plus 8 2 plus 6 equal 8. Here's the last 8 equal 3. So how can I do it? It's very easy. Excellent. We can make what? Counting. Or it's called what? Yeah, not break up. not break up and bridge, not اللي هي compensate pay mark added, or counting forward. Okay, front in the estimation, no front in the estimation. So after 98, excellent, to get 101, discounting to forward. Okay, as add and subtract strategies. So we get 3. Here, lesson 3, addition with regrouping. Remember together what we learned in primary 2 and primary 3. Adding by regrouping. This is ones and this is tens. 6 plus 6. This is double number. 6 plus 6, 12. I write here 12? No. I write 2 and this one will be, carry up. So 1 plus 3 and here 0 will be 4. So the result is 42. Here, 5 plus 7. We can solve it with what? 7 will be 5 and 2. 5 plus 5, 10. Okay, this is mental also, 10. Then 10 plus 2 equal 12, as we learned in primary 2 and primary 3. So I write 12 here? No, I write 2 and carry up 1. Okay, 1 at 10 place value. So here 1 and here 0. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 5, 6. So the result will be 62. Look at this figure. Here, 57 plus 5. I make breakup to digit 5 to number 5 into 3 and to y into 3 and 3. It will be 60. Okay, then 60 plus 2 will be 62. Another example, 35 plus 7. Why I let it 5 plus 2 and why I write 5 first? Because 5 plus 5 here equal 10. And so 35 plus 5 equal 40. Then 40 will be added to 7 or to, number 2 to number 2. 40 plus 2 equal 42. Continue lesson 3, addition with regrouping. Estimate and solve. Work with your partner as friend, as mom, as dad, as sister, as brother to estimate sum and then solve the problem. Make estimation as rounding. So we are looking at the largest place value. Okay, so 579 will be, excellent, 600. And 62 will be 60. This is related to highest place value. This is highest place value and this is highest place value. 600 plus 60 equals 660. Number 2, 8,049 plus 6,199. So first edit. 8,049 will be estimated to and related to what? Related its highest place value. Its highest place value is 1,000. So we make rounding or estimation to the largest place value. 8 will be what? 8 at the same, because this will be 0 or will be what? 8,049 estimate to 8,000. Why? Because this is 4. Then 6,199 will be estimated to 6,000 because 1 is poor. Okay, so 6 doesn't change. the result will be 14,000. Okay, so this after estimation and this after estimation, so it's not accurate result because we make estimation first. Addition with regrouping. This is continue of lesson 3. A colony of ants is on a march through the jungle looking for food. On this mark, they made 2 bridges. The first bridge is composed of 142 ants, so this is first number that we have it. The second bridge is composed of 160 ants. How many ants were needed for both? Both means adding. Show your work. So here, 142 estimate to what? Yeah, related to the largest place value. The largest place value is 100. And it will be 140. Okay, then here, yeah, 165, it will be 200. Why? Because this is what? This is will be, yeah, each number. So 6 added to 1, and it will be 200. Okay, guys? So 140 plus 200, it will be 340. طب if you think about, طب أنا هخليها 140, 100 only, okay? Because I make rounding or estimation to the largest place value. Plus, yeah, 100 also. Is it right? This is 200. Okay? Related to A, the largest place value. طيب نتأكد كده لو احنا عملنا adding العادي traditional 2 plus 5 7 4 plus 6 10 0 and carry up 1 1 plus 1 2 2 plus 1 3 هتلاقيها بعيدة جدا. ده الأكيوريت بتاعي، ده الإيه الأكيوريت. فكده that's what wrong. So here we make estimation to what? Yeah, to estimate to the number 142 will be 140 because 142 is closer to 140 and 165 is closer to 200. So this is what? This is the right one. Okay, guys. Then the last slide is about our objective that we learned and discussed today. Objectives of Unit 2, Concept 1, Lesson 1 and 2 and 3. This session is addition properties. What about addition properties? We discussed additive identity. Additive identity is what? 0 equals 0 plus 2 equal 2. This is additive identity. Commutative, 2 plus 3 equal 3 plus 2 equal 5. This is commutative. And associative means we have bracket and we should solve the parentheses first. Okay. The second, we discussed the middle mass and this is for optional للإطلاع بس يا ولاد. And adding with regrouping or addition with regrouping. Thank you for listening. With my best wishes, Miss نيفين سامي. بالتوفيق إن شاء الله مع تمنياتنا بالتوفيق الإدارة العامة للتعليم الإلكتروني. Thank you. Bye bye.